In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make long video animations for free. I know a lot of people promise how to do this, but never deliver. Don't worry, I got you. You're going to want to watch today's entire video. Trust me. First, let's watch a quick example.
Wow, this forest is full of magic. Look at the sparkling stream. I can't wait to see more. No, get away! A dragon!
Back, foul beast! You dare challenge me?
Be careful! Thank you!
Pretty wild, right? The video cost nothing to make and only took about 20 minutes to produce. So here's how you do it. Step 1, open up a Google Gemini account. It's free. Select Tools and then click on Create Image. Now, describe what you want your character to look like or what you want your first image to be and generate an image in Gemini. You can generate 100 images a day. Make sure your final image is in a format you want, such as 9:16 or 16:9, basically horizontal or vertical. To change the size, click on the 3 dots in the top corner and select Redo with Pro. Once you have an image you like, go ahead and download it. Step 2, open up an account with the website Grok, spelled G-R-O-K. It's free. Select Image on the right side. Now, upload your image. Then type what you want to happen in the scene. Grok is designed to automatically generate a video whether you type something or not. You can turn this feature off. Just note, you can make about 30 videos a day for free, so use your generations wisely. If you don't like what you generated, just hit redo or change the description and then make a new generation. You can generate 6 or 10-second long clips by hitting the film script icon. Once you have a video generation you like, follow these important steps. Click the 3 dots in the top corner and select Upscale Video. This is very important. After a few seconds, it'll say HD. Now, download the video. Step 3. This is where it gets kind of tricky, but not really. Pause the video you just made inside of Grok. Scroll to the very last frame. Right-click the video and select Save Video Frame As. Now, take the image and put it back in Grok and repeat step 2. This will allow you to stitch your videos together and make longer videos. This is a process very common in making AI videos. Not so bad, right? Here's the tricky part. If the last frame doesn't match the next description, it could cause problems. So just use whatever frame works best. For example, if the last frame was of this dragon and I mentioned the girl and the knight, it will generate a completely new girl and knight. Grok will typically add music. Just say no music to get rid of this. If you want characters to speak, type what you want them to say in the description, like I did. Step 4. Use a free video editing software and simply stitch your videos together. I recommend DaVinci Resolve, but that software might be a little overwhelming for some. There are several out there for your computer and for your phones. Just do a quick Google search. Anyone can do this because these are all web platforms. You can do it from your phone or from your computer. A lot of you have been asking for a free way to make AI animations, so that's why I made today's video. I will say the quality is not as high as I like it to be, but it really just depends on what pictures you put in and some of your editing skills. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you guys got some value out of this, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.